Hello everyone, thank you for showing interest in the Brain Gym Abacus classes. In my previous video, I have explained what are the values of these beats and simple counting on ones place and tens place. Here in this video, I am going to explain simple addition and subtraction on ones place and tens place. I'm making 1 here on ones place. So if I have to add 2 in this, add 2 means I'm taking 2 beats up touching to the answer bar. It is 3 on my tool now. If I have to add 5, adding 5 means I'm taking upper beat down touching to the answer bar. So my answer is 8 now. This is simple addition on ones place. Now subtraction, if I have to subtract 2 here, 2 means I'm taking 2 beats away from the answer bar. So answer is 6 now. If I have to subtract 5, I'm taking upper beat up because upper beat is having value 5. So answer is 1 on my tool now. Now simple addition and subtraction on tens place. Like it is 22 and I have to add 25 in this. Adding 25 means add 2 at tens place, 1 and 2, and adding 5 means add do upper beat down at ones place. So answer is 4 and 7, 47. This I have added. Now how to subtract with the help of tens place also. If I have to subtract 31 in this, subtracting 31 means 1, 2, 3. This I have subtracted 3 at tens place. Now 1 at ones place. So I have subtracted 31. Answer is 1 and 6, 16 here. This was simple addition and subtraction on ones place and tens place. But you must be thinking if we have to add any other number whose beats we are not having properly here. Like if I have to add 34 in this, I am having 3 here. 1, 2, 3 at tens, but I am not having 4 at my ones. For addition of these types of questions, we are having few formulas that I will explain in my next class. In this class, we have only done simple addition and subtraction without formulas. Thank you.